In this video, I'm going to explain how long YouTube TV has been around and its journey since launch. YouTube TV was first introduced by Google on February 28, 2017, during a live event in New York City. Initially launched as an invitation-only service in select U.S. cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago, it quickly gained popularity for offering live TV streaming with a modern twist. By April 2017, YouTube TV became widely available across the United States, providing access to major networks like ABC, CBS, FOX, NBC, ESPN, and more. Over the years, the service has expanded its channel lineup, introduced features like unlimited cloud DVR, and added optional upgrades such as unlimited screens and premium add-ons like Sports Plus. As of now, YouTube TV has grown into one of the leading live TV streaming platforms, appealing to cord cutters who want flexibility and variety. It's been around for over 6 years, continually evolving to meet the needs of its users. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how long YouTube TV has been around, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.